Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has announced his final 25-man Bafana Bafana squad for the upcoming African Cup of Nations in Morocco. Here are the players that Hugo Broos has called. Goalkeepers: Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain. Defenders: Khuliso Mudau, Thabang Matuludi, Tylon Smith, Kosinathi Sibisi, Aubrey Mudiba, Khulumani Ndamane, Siyabonga Ngezali, Samkelo Kabini, and Mbegezeli Mbokazi. Midfielders: Teboho Mokoena, Bathusi Obas, Talente Mbatha, Siphephelo Sithole. Forwards: Oswin Apolis, Mohau Nkota, Tshepang Moremi, Evidence Mahopa, Lyle Foster, Sipho Mbule, Elias Mukwana, Chandra Campbell, and Relebohile Mofokeng. Those are all the players that Hugo Broos has called. Hugo Broos has named 3 players on his standby list for AFCON. It's Mduduzi Shabalala, Ekrem Reyners, and also Thabo Moloisane. And one big omission that everyone is talking about is Themba Zwane. Themba Zwane has not been included in the Bafana Bafana squad. We know that it's due to an injury. He recently returned from injury and is not match fit yet. Good news is that Hugo Broos has called Tylon Smith and also Chandra Campbell to his squad. The 2 youngsters, it didn't seem like they were gonna get a chance to go to AFCON. However, here they made the list. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of these 2 youngsters who have been included in Hugo Broos' squad, and also the 3 players who are on standby, and also Themba Mshishi Zwane, who didn't make the final squad? No Kaizer Chiefs player has been included in the squad. It's just Mduduzi Shabalala who has been included on the standby list. So Thabiso Monyane, Brandon Peterson, and Bradley Cross didn't make the final squad. And at Orlando Pirates, players who have been excluded from the final squad is Masindi Nemtanjera, Patrick Maswanganyi, Kamohelo Sibilibili. And Mamelodi Sundowns players who have been excluded from the final squad is Malibonge Khoza, Fawaz Basedin, Themba Zwane, and Thapelo Morena, with Ekrem Reyners on the standby list. Pirates has the most players in this Bafana Bafana squad with a total of 9 players, while Mamelodi Sundowns has 5 players in the squad. Remember, we know that the domination of Orlando Pirates players in the Bafana Bafana squad is that almost the whole starting lineup of Orlando Pirates is comprised of South African players, whereas at Mamelodi Sundowns there are few international players. And remember, CAF will be paying for 23 players for every team that will be participating in the AFCON. However, SAFA decided to take 25 players, meaning that SAFA will cover 2 extra players in Morocco. Hugo Broos also confirmed that he continues to search for their opponent for the final friendly on the 17th or 18th of December, just before the AFCON. So who do you think that Bafana Bafana should play against in that friendly? The squad that Hugo Broos has called, so let me hear your thoughts. Which player do you think deserved to be in the final squad of players going to AFCON, and which player do you think that didn't deserve to be in that list? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.